Elaborate your professional image with an email signature that screams credibility. First, let's talk design. Keep it clean and concise. Avoid overly flashy colors or too many fonts. Stick to one or two professional fonts that are easy to read, like Arial, Verdana, or Helvetica. Think about your brand's colors, but use them sparingly as accents. Now, what essential information should your signature include? Start with your full name, followed by your job title and company name. Definitely include a professional email address next. Add your phone number and your company website if relevant for your professional networking. Include links to your LinkedIn profile or other professional social media accounts. To make this effortless, we'll use a signature generator. Search for free email signature generators online. Many offer drag-and-drop interfaces. Upload your company logo or a professional headshot. Ensure it's a small file size. Arrange your text elements logically. Name, title, company, contact info, and links. Once you've designed it, the generator will provide simple HTML code or a copy-paste option. Most email clients have a dedicated signature settings area where you can paste this information. Test it by sending yourself an email to ensure all links are working and the formatting looks correct across different devices. A well-crafted email signature is a subtle but powerful branding tool. It reinforces your professionalism, makes it easy for contacts to reach you, and keeps your brand consistent. Invest a few minutes today and reap the benefits of a polished digital handshake for every email you send.